Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team ScentedStyle, and today I just got the second, so it's number 2 out of 3 boxes from the flash sale, and I'm super duper excited to open it up. You guys, I'm excited. All right, you guys, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got. And if you got any of the same stuff that I got. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm so excited. All right, let's look and see what I got. This box is so heavy. I wish I could remember what I got. All right, so I know I got these. All right, I got a ton of these. They were like $1.90 or something like that. I got 20 of them. And these are gonna be, I'm gonna save them for next year. They're gonna be for my customer thank yous. For my local orders. They're going to go on the outside of the bags. How stinking cute is this? So cute. And it is a Frankenstein buddy clip, and he is scented with, I believe, caramel apple craze. Yes, and he's so cute. I've had this one, and he's so stinking cute. So I got 20 of those. Let me put those in the box out of the way. Hold on. Oh my gosh. There's so many, you guys. There's so many. All right, let's get to the other stuff. Come on. Guys, can somebody come help me with all these? There's a lot. Oh, that's what's so heavy in here. Hold on. Okay. So now I got to my next group of stuff. And let's see how many I got of everything. Hold on. So it's all hand soap, you guys. If you know me, you know I love me some Scentsy hand soap. And I got, shoot, this is a lot. I got a ton of it, you guys. A ton of it. Okay. Let's see, that's that scent. I'm trying to count the different scents that I got. And I believe, gosh, I can't remember how much these were. I think maybe $4, $3 or $4, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 of these, and they are the peachy and palm trees. These were from the summer collection. So I got 10 of these, right? This is amazing. I'm not gonna have to buy any hand soap all next summer. I'll probably buy whatever 3-pack they have because I want to try them, but I'll have these all next year. And for my daughter, we go through a lot of hand soap. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of the kukui and coconut, which I love. You guys, I love this stuff. So that's what I got. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. So yeah, there's only like technically 3 things. The hand soap, the 2 different hand soaps, and the Frankenstein. But I got a lot of stuff. I believe it came out to, with shipping, I believe this order was $109. So I got 20 of the Frankensteins. I got 10 of these and 5 of the kukui and coconuts for $109. Good job, Vickie. And these make fantastic gifts. These are so good. I can give them to hostesses and thank yous and all of that, and it didn't cost me a lot. So I think I did well. I can't wait to get my other order. The first order I did, the big one, it was like 300 bucks. It hasn't shipped yet, and that's okay. If you haven't watched my other video, make sure that you understand when you shop from flash sales, it could take 21 days for them to actually ship, because we have so many people ordering so much stuff that it takes a while. So when you order from a flash sale, just know that your package may or may not take 21 days to ship, and it just is what it is. And what can you do? But some people, I like my first order I got pretty quickly, which was my last order actually. It was the smallest, but it came quickly. And then this one took a little bit longer, and then the other one is huge. And so I'm just going to be patient and wait, because I got a lot of $2 stuff, you know, really. Where's my cat? You guys hear that cat? I have so many animals, I never know who it is complaining. But yeah, so I'm so excited to get my other box. But anyways, you guys, I hope you are having a wonderful weekend. I am recording this on Saturday night, but I'm going to post it tomorrow in the morning. I'm posting 2 videos. One was my Shein haul where I got this and some other really cute stuff. Look at my earrings. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's not Scentsy related. I don't post only Scentsy stuff. I like to keep it fun and post other like fun things. So I did a Shein haul earlier, and then I'm going to post this one. So anyways, you guys, have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.